Ready to ditch store-bought plaid and create your own custom buffalo plaid designs that are perfect for any project. First, open your design software and create a square. Make sure you set the fill to black and remove any stroke. Duplicate this square so you have two identical black squares. Place the two squares side by side. Now, create a long, thin rectangle. Set the fill color to a lighter shade of gray. This will be one of your plaid stripes. Position the gray rectangle horizontally across the top of your squares. Duplicate this rectangle several times, spacing them evenly to create a series of horizontal stripes. Next, create another long, thin rectangle, but this time position it vertically. Change the fill color to the same lighter shade of gray as your horizontal stripes. Place this vertical rectangle on the left side of your squares. Duplicate it and space them evenly to create a series of vertical stripes, forming a grid pattern with your horizontal stripes. Where the gray stripes intersect, they should create a slightly darker shade of gray due to the overlay. This adds depth to your plaid pattern. Select all the elements, the black squares and all the stripes, and use the combine or merge function in your software to unite them into one single shape. Finally, save your design as an SVG file. Now you're ready to import your custom buffalo plaid into your cutting machine software and start creating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun design tutorials. #SVG design #Buffalo Plaid.